Sarikaham. Good evening, everyone. Our esteemed guest and all my friends and delegates from other states. Here, while I was sitting, by looking at you all, I have changed what I will speak. I have scribbled some notes in my phone. So please forgive me if I look down and speak sometime. First of all, I would like to thank TSF Delhi, the committee, the organizers for inviting me as a chief guest. Among the available lot, you have thought me that I could be the chief guest, though I'm not entitled to, but thank you everyone. Let me start from myself. I'm not a good politician yet. I'm on intern. I'm not a good spokesperson also. I'm just a beginner. So I'll not take much of your time. I'll try to end within a couple of minutes. Some of you might be confused that what DANGSHU community is. I belong to Garo community, but I'm okay with all 5-6 languages which is spoken in Tripura. I speak around 5-6 languages, so I'm okay with any language. You all can suggest which language to speak, I can speak that one. But Chakma, I'm a little bit weak. So Chakma and Darlong, other than that, I can speak little fluent. So I think I'll speak with English. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Then let me start from myself. As I said, how did I come to politics? I'm not a political person. My political journey, actually it's 8 years, but I have been to field politics in just 1 year only. So I became an MLA, it's already 1 year. So I'm very new to politics also, you can say. I'll not take much of your time because if I speak for too long, it will sound political. So I'll try to speak with facts. Actually, why do we create forum in other state or within the state? It's because we need to stay united. We should not say that you are from this state, I'm from this bordering country, I'm from this region or this, that. What are we here in Delhi especially? We face racism. At each point of time, we face racism. But this is the reason we say, stay united. When someone from here asks that, kahan se ho bhai? Then we say, Uttar Purvanchal. We don't say that we are from Tripura, or we may say, but they know us as Northeasterns. So that's why I say, whenever you do a program like this, when you guys organize program like this, please invite everyone. Let all the delegates from each state be here. And you also, you go to the programs if they all invite you, because if we do that, we get exposure. We know what to do, what not to do, and what we can learn from other state and other people. So, as a young legislator, I'm also one of the youngest MLA in India. Maybe I'm the third number, I guess so, if I'm not wrong. My suggestion to the youth is, if we remain stuck in old ideologies, will remain the same. Time has changed. Now new perspective came. The political scenario has changed. Many things evolved in the state, in the country. So we should change with time. Even the politics. Before, we find very old type of political guy who will come to stage and speak about politics, what they have done. Actually, we are given a tenure for 5 years. After in next 4 years, my tenure also will be over. I'll become an ordinary person. But you all, who all are here, studying hard, far from home, you should think that contribution to the society and doing something for your community is the main agenda of our Tiprasa. If we cannot do anything for our society, then we'll just be an ordinary guy. You have come far from state to study here. You should be an exemplary. I was not fortunate enough to study like here, like Delhi or somewhere far from home, or hold a degree, become a good scholar. I did not have that kind of fortune. So, in my political view, what I have experienced, that is what I'm going to share. We should not be a materialistic person. Actually, why I'm saying this? Because the shoes you are wearing today will not even fit in the next 5 years. When you come to the stage of retirement, like our respected director, he's now retired. He's surely remembered for his good deeds. Like he gave an example that someone, his classmate, he taken his car. So this should be an example. When you cannot contribute to your society, you'll just be an ordinary guy. I'm repeating this again. In your retirement age, you'll not be remembered which product, which brand car do you drive, German car, let it be any car, or which cell phone brand do you use in 2024. You'll not be remembered with this. You'll be remembered what you have done to your society, what you have done for your community. That is the main thing. So I'm also following the same legacy. Boagra had said me, you go to the assembly, speak for your people. So I'm speaking for the people. There is no one superior, there is no one inferior. You live in the same land, I live in the same land. So everyone should be treated with respect. After you finish your student phase, you'll become a good bureaucrat. You might become an IS officer. You might go to civil service. Some will be a good filmmakers, journalists, professors, good scholars, songwriters, writers. But see, being a Tiprasa is a fortune for us. Many people are from outside, but we, son of the soil, we the indigenous people of Tripura, we in our land, we should show that we are the son of soil. We used to rule this state, and in future we are going to take that place again. So that all can be done with honesty and not betraying your community. We have a rich culture and identity. When this Risha was given to me, I literally used to get goosebumps, and the song Thansa, which was played, that kind of song and all gives us goosebumps. That kind of Tiprasa you should be. I could do 9 to 5 jobs. I can retire at 60. I can live happily with my family. But why did I choose politics? It's because I'm worried about the societal situations, the socio-political temper in our state. It worries us more. What will you be when the delimitation starts? What percentage of Tiprasa are we in our state now? We are not even 25%. Where we will reach in the next 20 years. So, if we don't think and work for the next generation, then we are all gone. So, I thank you everyone for staying together here. Let's be united like this. I hope in the next year more people will gather, more bigger halls will be booked. I know there are lots of hardships to organize this kind of program. I've never organized this kind of educational program or organizational program. I used to organize political programs. That is very different. But here, being a student organizing all this kind of program, I know you guys have faced a lot of inconveniences. But you guys have done it. You must appreciate yourself. You must clap for yourself too. We politicians say, you have invited, I flew from Tripura, I'll give a speech and I'll go. And I'll do what I should do. But the future is in your hand. So after my political career, I cannot come to Delhi, study and be like you again. So our time has gone. You think our time has gone. I have only 4 years more. I don't bother who is in which community and who is the... I am doing what I should do for my community. That is only my motto. So please, I'm telling you everyone, do not separate yourself. Do not say that if I join this forum, I'll be exposed. Some political party will identify me and it will be bad for my future. And my parents will say something odd, which is not good for my career. It's not like that. A forum is a forum, and what you are doing here will be an example for the next freshers also. And all the freshers will learn from you all, and all the ex-students who all are here today. I thank you all for supporting them, for always being with them. And last but not the least, many people take us as inferior very lightly. We are very low in numbers. But I tell you what, a single matchstick can light a big jungle. That's the peak condition of our state now. I'm telling you again, I was not interested in politics, but yet I joined politics. So this is the last moment of Tiprasa community. See, Nagaland has got their record, Mizoram has got their own administration. What do we have? We have just 20 seats. In the next delimitation, it will be 17 or 16 based on the population. So please be united. Whenever you get chance, you explain to your juniors, you explain to your brothers and sisters that politics is not important. Being with your community is important. Being with your society, being with your culture is important. Respecting the culture, I'm so much thankful to Bugagra for giving me this platform. Otherwise, a person like me, who knows? I'm just a social media and working on data and the digital communications unit for Maharaj before, which now I do. I also still do that. And who knows me? No one knows me. But at least now 5 people know me here in this room. It's just because of Maharaj, who gave us the platform to speak for our community, for our tribe, and I will do forever. Please keep the legacy of this forum. TSF, I have been hearing since before. Many of my friends are part of TSF. They've been president before. They are my batchmates and all. And I'm very proud of them. Maybe they have contributed something the way or the other. That's why you all are here today again, learning from them. So I will request you all to keep the legacy alive. Other in political field, we are there to safeguard you all. Whatever help you need in the state or out of the state, you just let us know. Feel free to contact. Not as a politician, as a Tiprasa, I will respond you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tiprasa.